So not too long ago, I began cutting sugar out of my diet. Obviously, I still craved sweets, especially Coke, a cola, so I began consuming diet options. Of course, sugar-free options of any kind contain aspartame, an ingredient that many members of the health community link to diseases such as cancer and other illnesses. But how bad is aspartame for you, really?
Originally sold under the brand names NutraSweet or Equal, aspartame was approved for use in food products in the 1980s. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener, sometimes referred to by its more sinister name, E951. Aspartame stimulates taste buds the same way as sugar. It is a small protein made up of two amino acids, phenylalanine and aspartic acid. The digestive system breaks down aspartame into phenylalanine, aspartic acid, and methanol. Phenylalanine is an essential amino acid in the human diet. Eating foods high in phenylalanine has no negative effects. It is a natural dietary protein. Foods high in phenylalanine include meat, fish, dairy, eggs, and nuts. Aspartame contains minuscule amounts of phenylalanine compared to these foods. Aspartic acid is another naturally occurring amino acid. It's one of the most common amino acids in the human diet. It's also produced by the human body. Again, aspartic acid is found in high protein foods and has no adverse health effects. And again, aspartame is a minor source of aspartic acid compared to other foods. Methanol, on the other hand, is a toxic substance found in alcoholic beverages. It becomes a health concern when consumed in high doses. For example, getting wasted at a keg party you hosted using your forgetful uncle's homebrewed beer. Other dietary sources of methanol include fruits, veggies, and coffee. Methanol from aspartame only has adverse effects if overconsumption occurs. Problems with smaller doses of methanol arise when they are combined with free methanol or methanol available for absorption in the body. However, multiple studies conclude that those who consume aspartame daily still miss the maximum methanol intake. Aspartame is 200 times sweeter than sugar, so only a small amount is needed to sweeten foods and drinks. A can of Diet Coke contains 185 milligrams of aspartame, compared to a can of Classic Coke, which contains about 40 grams of sugar. A 150-pound person would have to drink more than 18 cans of diet soda to exceed the daily FDA limit, while daily sugar intake limits are exceeded through one can of non-diet soda. The European Food Safety Authority concluded aspartame becomes toxic when you consume 4,000 milligrams or 1,600 cans of Diet Coke a day, with the exception of individuals suffering from PKU, who must adhere to a diet low in phenylalanine. Finally, there is no conclusive scientific evidence that aspartame is linked to any disease or illness ranging from cancer to headaches.